In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, it's essential to understand that while ElevenLabs does accept Apple Pay, there are a few requirements you need to meet for it to show up at checkout. So let's go through these requirements step by step. To start, it's important to know that Apple Pay is only available in certain countries. Make sure you are in a country where Apple Pay is supported by ElevenLabs. If you're unsure, check their website or search online to confirm. Next, you need to use the Safari browser on an Apple device to access ElevenLabs. This is where most users might trip up. Starting with iOS 16, Apple has made it possible to use Apple Pay on other browsers, like Chrome and Firefox, while on mobile. However, there's a catch. On iOS, those browsers still utilize Safari's WebKit rendering engine, meaning the Apple Pay feature won't fully function like it does in Safari. Now, this is not the case on Mac computers, where Safari remains the only browser you can use to check out with Apple Pay. If you're using a Windows PC or any device running Android or Linux, just a heads up, Apple Pay won't be an option for you at all. You'll need an Apple device to complete the checkout using Apple Pay. Now that we've covered the browser requirements, it's crucial to ensure that you have a valid credit card added to your Apple Pay account. Without this, the option for Apple Pay won't even appear at checkout. It's simple, really. Just make sure that the card you want to use has already been saved in your Apple Pay account before you attempt to make a purchase on ElevenLabs. Also, keep in mind that the device you are using to pay must be logged in with the same Apple ID that you've used to set up your Apple Pay account. This means you can't hop on a friend's device and expect to use your Apple Pay on their Apple ID. This restriction keeps your financial information secure, which is a good thing, but make sure you're on your own device when checking out. Lastly, some older devices may not support the latest features of Apple Pay. So if you're using an older iPhone or iPad, it might be a good idea to check for software updates. Updating your device often allows for smoother operation with features like Apple Pay and can solve other compatibility issues too. So there you have it. Ensure you're in a supported country, use Safari or the appropriate browsers on your iPhone, make sure you've got a valid card saved in your Apple Pay account, and make sure you're using the correct device. Armed with this knowledge, you should be all set to make purchases on ElevenLabs using Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this information helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.